Hello dears, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fardaus Sahel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change settings for the tab hover. What is tab hover? Let me show you. If I click here to create new tabs and I want to see what is inside the tab when I'm inside this tab, which is right here, what I can do is that I'm going to put my mouse here. You can see that the image and the link and also the memory usage. For other tabs also I can just put my mouse there and I can see that image with the link with the memory usage. And how I can change the settings for this is that simple. I can click here and click on the settings. And your left we need to click on performance. Under performance here we have this tab hover preview card appearance which I need to click. So there is different options available under appearance. Only we need to change some settings for the tab hover. As you can see here we have this tab hover preview card, and if I don't want to see that image when I put my mouse on the tab, so simple, I'm going to turn it off. Now if I put my cursor or my mouse, you can see there is no image, only I can see the link with the memory usage. And if I want to see that, simple, I'm going to turn it on just like this. And next we have show tab memory usage. If I'm going to turn it off, you can see when I put my mouse on the tab, only I can see the image with the link. I cannot see that memory usage. So from here I can turn it on just like that. You can configure the tab hover preview card from here. So hope you guys enjoyed and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.